What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You see the fit. I got the little pink stuff on today. You see the hairs, you know what I'm saying? Then we got my girl in black. Whatever this color is. It's like a purple type. I don't know. Say hi. Okay, I don't know why she acting all nervous and everything. She usually always like being on the camera. But all right, man. Y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the description, the title, whatever you want to call it. We gonna be decorating Smokey here, man. I ain't gonna do too much. I'm gonna try to find a doll. My car is dirty, y'all. Well, I need a car wash. I'm gonna try to find a doll that I can put on the grill. Get some spider webs. I actually saw somebody on Instagram that I follow do that. So I was like, you know what? Why don't I try it too? So yeah, I wanna web this thing up. You know, I'll probably spend like $3 on 2 packs of webs. And then maybe a little plushy tight doll I can put up on the front. And yeah, just get into the little Halloween spirit type, you know what I'm saying? And the teachers and stuff from her school actually love, you know, my lights and everything like that. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna love all the little decorations I'm gonna put on there. I'm probably gonna have it on. I mean, I should have did it during the week.
They don't do Halloween.
She goes to a Christian school, so they don't do Halloween, whatever. But yeah, but they still gonna love it. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go to the store, probably Target or something in Party City. We're gonna see what they got. So let's go. Should we get the cold start? Okay, let's go get the cold start real quick.
I like the Party City one more.
I was driving there not too long ago, so. Decent. So we're gonna go ahead and go. I actually do gotta lube up the exhaust valve things, because they've been squeaking on me. I'm pretty sure it's that, because when I turn it on sports mode, you know, completely open up and I never hear it anymore. But it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and go. Come on, child. Come on, child. I'll see y'all when we get to the store. All right, y'all. We just got out of Party City. We gotta show them what we got. So you don't see this first. We got some of that spider webbing. You know what I'm saying? I have it all on the car. I know she coughing a lot. She was just sick. And then we got this ugly nigga here. We're gonna try to hook him up to the front end of the car. See if it works out. Sharper. I know I should have done this way sooner, but if it works, cool. It'll look cool for a couple days. If it don't work, then I just wasted $18. But that's okay. It's all cool. Go ahead, start her up. Yeah. I guess let's get home. Oh, I do have zip ties, so that's good. Don't have to worry about that, bro. That dude's shedding all over me and everything, bro. All the strings. But we gonna head home. You got something to say? We gonna head home and we're gonna head and get all this started, man. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, we had to stop somewhere real quick, get a couple of photos and videos from our reels. Hey, Smokey, is Smokey matching me or am I matching Smokey? I don't know. Oh, I'm a little lighter pink, but yeah. She need a wash, but it's supposed to rain, so it's like, it's whatever. Man, look at her, look at me, you know what I'm saying? I can rock the pink, man, you know what I'm saying?
Shut up, bitch.
Oh, the booty is so dirty, bro. This is ridiculous. But it's gonna rain, so it's like, what's the point? Y'all been getting addicted to coffee, bro. Like crazy, bro. But we back at home. We gonna go ahead. We're gonna put this on, right, Sam? We're gonna get, yeah. So if it worked, it worked. If it don't, it don't. We gonna see. But let's go ahead and get up out the car, right? She acting like she's shy on the camera, bro. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it, bro. All right, y'all. So I got a dude up on here. Probably gonna adjust him a little bit. Got it in the camera, Sam? Tighten this up. Oh God, we gonna strangle him at this point. So yeah, kind of do something like that, and then I'm gonna cut off the ends. I'm gonna do the same with his arms. And I'm gonna cut off, you know, part of his dress, whatever the hell.
I think it's a nightgown.
I don't know what he's wearing, but whatever he's wearing, we're gonna cut off some of it so it's not dragging on the ground.
Then it'll just be like.
Instead of gonna have it like this. I kind of want him to look up. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. No. Yeah, so we're gonna do like that. I'm just gonna cut off the ends eventually after we finish all this stuff. I don't know. He looking at y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? Oh,
Bitch.
look at them. See, look, kind of even out. I don't know. Sitting. Oh no. I don't want him sitting like that. It's hard.
Bro, what did you just say? You're gay! He's gay! I'm not gay. He's gay!
He could like stay like that, you know what I'm saying? See, that's decent. Just imagine it without the zip ties. We need a scissors, bro, for real, for real. You know what? We might go ahead and go inside and get the scissors real quick and get back to this. All right, man, this is what we got so far. Not too bad, not too bad. What you think about it for the Halloween spirit, you know what I'm saying? You know? Not too bad, not too bad. We gotta change that to red, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God, her and this coughing every 5 seconds. But yeah, look decent. We're gonna try to do the webs right now. Hey, shh, 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 shh. Okay, let's go ahead and do the webs now. See how it's gonna look. All right, Sam, what you think about? We did, you know, just a little bit so far. You know, make sure not to put it over the headlights, so you know. I mean, I'm sorry, y'all, that she doing all this coughing. I do not like hearing coughing every 5 seconds. But you were sick. She's getting over it. She's getting it out, so that's good. So yeah. So we gotta do the whole car. Let's get to it. No Jeep man. Hi, Jeep man. Every time you cough, you give me a Hellcat. All right, we're gonna have Girly try to do it. Just take the end, just push it between the splitter and the body of the car. Yeah, push it in. No, keep going in and out, in and out. Keep trying to push it in. Okay, stop. Hey, she got it in though. I don't want her like separating it. You did good though. Watch out. Just gonna try to shove it in now. Oh, we're getting his string in there. I don't even know if I want to try to do the rest of the car. I don't even know how it's gonna work. We're gonna try. All right, YouTube, we gonna see how good this stuff lasts on here. That one looks like it's about to fly off, baby. Fly off. But yeah, good job somewhere real quick. Let people see it because you know it is getting dark. Spent $18 just to have this stuff on for like how long? But hey, it is what it is. Oh God, that's the sheriff. That's the sheriff. Don't pull me over, sir. Even though he ain't gonna get me because he's already ahead of me. Hopefully, dang, that Corolla was tinted out. Hopefully, police ain't gonna be mad about it. I mean, I have it not covering the headlights and it's not covering the actual brake lights. So yeah, we're gonna see. But once we get to where we're going, I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like all together. All right, YouTube, this wasn't the best. It ain't the best decorations, but shoot, the red's probably gonna be too bright. This man's head ain't saying I wasted $18 low key the whole time. Okay, this right here is just pitiful. I'm gonna take this off right here. That was just pitiful. Ain't nothing on the sides. The back we got a little bit. I don't know. Gotta spread this some more, to be honest. I'm pulling it out and everything, man. Hey man, I try to do a little something, make a little video, bro. This probably gonna come down, this probably gonna, damn, the train lot is in. It's probably gonna come off in like a day. I tried, man. This wasn't the best, but hey man. Thought I'd do something a little fun for my daughter that she would like make a video out of it, man. Look at this, man. Man, I don't know why I put it around his head. His head's not even staying up, bro. But we tried, man. I don't know. I think this was like low-key failure. What it is. I could have did a way better job, but I didn't feel like taking stuff apart and stuff like that. But it is what it is, bro. Oh, he gonna pull up. He done pulled up. Let me see if I can put it under the wing or something. Okay, see, now that's better. That's what I should have done. I should have been putting all this under the wings and stuff. Hold on. This was type low-key a fail. Look at this. And of course, it's gonna come off when you're going faster. Let me see if I can wrap it around. Yeah, y'all, this shit was type of low-key failure. But hey, can't blame somebody for trying, you know what I'm saying? I saw somebody on Instagram do that shit. Not as good as his, but shoot. I tried it, y'all. See, I didn't spread this shit enough. Dude. It is what it is, though. Hit y'all in a little quick second.